How to cancel Whoop membership on app. Now, this process is very easy. Cancel option is just around the corner from your application on Whoop under your account settings. But what you need to take note is there are two types of cancellation on the Whoop membership. So if you cancel within the last 30 days, then there is going to be a difference between inside 30 days and outside the 30 days cancellation period. So if you paid upfront around 12 or 24 months, you can actually schedule your membership to cancel at the end of the upfront period. If you're paying monthly and within 12-month commitment, then you'll have to pay in full for the remaining months of your commitment or schedule your membership to end after your commitment day. Now, if you canceled around or inside the 12-month period, then all you just have to do is to wait till the 12-month is up and then to cancel it completely, just log into your Whoop account membership on your mobile application and then at the lower right portion of your screen just go ahead to membership section of the web app and then just simply click the cancel your membership link at the bottom of the page to initiate the process. Now it's going to be depending on your membership type and then you will be represented with the information that I have provided to you a while ago. So that's how easy and quick you can cancel your Whoop membership on app.